This serves as the drop test for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra boasts a flat screen and a titanium frame, offering potential improvements. Initiating the test, I dropped it on the screen from waist height onto concrete. Following the first drop, there are scrapes on the frame where it impacted the ground. While the screen seems to be initially functional, closer inspection reveals a crack in the top right corner. This suggests that Samsung's claimed Gorilla Glass armor may not significantly enhance glass strength. However, a minor crack or chip appears on the top left of the screen glass. For the third drop on the side of the titanium frame, there's another scrape on the frame, but the screen remains undamaged. In the fourth drop on the bottom rim, the S Pen slightly pops out and more scrapes appear on the frame. It's noteworthy that companies like iqoo utilize technologies like hand glass, which handles drops more effectively. Now let's examine scratch resistance by placing sand and gravel on the screen. Following the sand and gravel test, there don't seem to be any scratches on the screen. It exhibits excellent scratch resistance. I trust you found this video informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.